Hello everyone, my name is Sushant and my friend name is Ujwal. Today we are going to tell about our cloud computing project, Hand is Skin Doctor. So we are going to host this our website which is based on which we are built using Flask and HTML pages. So now we are going to host in a cloud-based environment. Uh, Actually, we are doing a course which is a cloud computing. Course code is CSC 41001. We are from VIT Amravati, VIT campus, and my professor is Dr. Arun Kumar Gopu. First, we are going to use S3.
Yeah, why we are using S3 means about S3 is a simple storage device which we are using to store our images to predict which the patient which he having the disease. By the image will be predicted. So for the storage of so many images, we are using S3.
So we are using S3 to just to store our all the data sets and files. Uh, Now I will show a sample S3 how to create an S3. First we are opening the S3 console, AWS console. It will be like this. So we are going to tap on services and search S3 here in buckets. So this is the S3. Actually, we are not created any bucket in this account. Just we are showing how to create a bucket. We have to just click create button key, create bucket button, and it will ask uh, all the simple information to create bucket. And finally we are after creating this bucket button, a bucket will be created. We have already created a bucket in another account. Just I will show you now. Yeah, this is our bucket. For this project we are creating this bucket data cloud project. The bucket name is data cloud project. In this we have uploaded all our data sets. This is for all test, and this is all the training data where we have stored a lot of images to train our model. This is the data we have stored in our S3 bucket, where this data will be used by Amazon SageMaker to train a model. And next, we are using Amazon SageMaker here.
Here we are using Amazon SageMaker because to train up our model and to train up our model by using ML and again Flash.
Uh, we can find this easily by searching the services tab, SageMaker. This is the one. Just click on services tab, and yeah, after opening we will get like this. In this SageMaker we will create a notebook which we are going to train our model. It's just similar to like Python notebooks like Anaconda. So here also we can create a notebook like create instance, create a notebook here. After creating this button, a notebook will be created. We have already created a notebook for our project. I'm just to open that. notebook instances. This is our notebook skin cloud project. It is showing in service, means it is running now. We can open it. This is the IPNB file. We have trained a model by using the data which is stored in S3. This is the all the code of our model. This is a deep learning model. We are also showing a sample image of input, how it will be. After this, we are going to use this model which is created from the data which is stored on the S3 bucket. We are using this model in our Flask, and we are going to host this through Amazon Web Services. Now I am going to open my code. This is my code. This is a Flask code where we are using two HTML and one Python file to run this application. So this is index file where we are using bootstrap and normal HTML to create an interface. And this is our predict HTML page where we are going to predict the image based upon the user's input by using the machine learning model which is created from the Amazon SageMaker. And this is the Python file with the Flask, which we are using application with the Flask. So by running this, we can create an interface to upload. Now I am going to run this file. Yeah, it is running already. Yeah, this is our interface. Where we are going to upload all our input, where user input. So we can just upload a choose button. So where different kind of images will be there. We can.
By this, we can predict the disease the person which he have uploaded the image. So by the SageMaker, the model will be trained, and by EC2, our website will be hosted. And again by S3, all these images will be stored in the S3. And when a patient or when a person have uploaded his image, by this hosting website, it will predict the image like which disease he have. Now we are going to show the means now we are going to show the disease on the person which have, for example, we are uploading one image in that.
Yeah, now we are going to just upload an image randomly. Open, and we are going to click on this button predict. Now it will show what kind of disease the user have. Now in this case the user have a disease called Benning. So if the user want to try again, he can also use try again and then choose file, and then also same. I'm open another image and predict. Yeah, this is a malignant disease. So in previous case he got Benning. In this case we uploaded another image, so it will be shown as malignant. So like this our application runs, which is useful for many people who are unable to tell what kind of skin diseases they have and feel shy to tell doctor. So this can help many people to recognize what kind of disease they have before going to the doctor's observation. So after knowing this, they also can start using the medication so that they can cure the disease before going to the doctor, or they control the disease actually.
By this, we can predict the disease easily in the future also, because some people will be very obedient to say some personal diseases to any doctors or any recommended persons. By this they can do their own they can identify the own disease and then consult the doctor, and they can prescribe themselves also.
Now we are going to host this whole application in EC2 environment. The EC2 environment in AWS is look like this. So first of all, we have to create an instance. So for this we are going to launch an instance. Yeah, this is another account. Now I will show in this Chrome account. It will be good. Actually, I have these kinds of instances which is already in usage. In these two are already running. Now if we want to create an new instance, we have just to click launch instance, and we are going to select what kind of OS we are going to use for our instance. So actually we are going to use only free tier, so that's why we are clicking. If you want some amount servers, we can also use these all kinds of these. uh, for us, I am going to use a free tier to just demo purpose. So I'm clicking free tier here. It will show all the instances which is free of cost. So in this we have Amazon, Linux, Red Hat, and Ubuntu, Microsoft server. Everything will be there, so we can choose what the instance will be. So if we go to click we are after this we are going to click select to create an instance. It will ask for which type of OS we will be using in memory and in instant storage. We are just going with the default. After this it will be asked for a network and subnet IP address, everything. For this also we will be going to default one. So after this step, this is the storage step where we can increase our storage. uh, Here it will give in free tier customers can up to give 30. So we are going to update up to 30. If we want above 30, we are going to pay for that. So we are a free user, we are using free tier services. Then we are extended up to only 30. We can type how much amount of GB we are using for our server. I am going with the default 8. After the we are this is the tax page. No need to add any tax. If we want, we can add any tax. It will be easy for recognition of our website. After this it will be asking for the network protocol, where this is the main part of to create an instance. In this we are keeping SSH and TCP protocol with a port 22 range, and this is a source IP address. This can be edited where my IP anywhere custom. So I'm going with custom. If you add rule means it will be creating under here we are going to use a HTTPS or HTTP, which kind of traffic it will be allowed through this cloud environment. For this website, if we add only HTTP means it will allow only HTTP traffic to access this website. So I am putting all traffic here. It will allow every traffic means all kind of IP addresses will be allowed to this to access this web page. So after this we are creating custom. I am in this rule. I am putting anywhere means it will be this website will be accessed from anywhere of the country. So after this we are going to review our all uh, attributes what we have done here. So after this if you click launch means it will launch a new instance with all the defined types. We have already launched our instance, so I'm not going to launch now. All these instances were created like this only. Now we are using this instance final for to host this account, to host our website. I'm going to connect now with my local host. For the after creating an instance, it will be look like this. So after in an SSH client, we are going to copy. So this is our public DNS where we are using as an IP address to access our where a link. This is like a link where we can access our website from anywhere. So for this, we are using two kinds of softwares to connect with my local host application. So I'm using Putty and WinSCP application. So this is my Win application, WinSCP application. Now it is showing. Actually, once I will show. Yeah, when we open a WinSCP application, it will ask. Now we have to create. We are going for a new site, and we have to paste our host name here. Now I'm going to paste my host name. This one.
Here we are pasting the host name, and down of that username we are putting an ubuntu, and from this we are going to click on advanced, and exist means authentication, means it's an we are putting our ppk file, means putty file, project ppk. From this we will going to log in.
By using the Putty, we are going to create this PPK file. This PPK file is created a key pair file which are going to use which is formed when we are launching an instance. I'm opening now. Okay. If a login means it will be login and open what kind of files in this particular instance. So these are all the files are present in this instance. It will be directly connected to the ubuntu terminal of this instance. If I click this means if I click this option means it will be open a putty session automatically, which is connected to my instance in AWS. Yeah, it is connected. Now we have to run our Python application file in this terminal. Now it will be accessed anywhere from the world. Running a Python file, we have to install some predefined stuff to this terminal. For that we are using for that we have to install Python and pip pip file. Pip means we have to install all the pip files which is required to run a Python file. So my application name is app. So I have installed all the pre-required Python files and pip files. So now I will run on my application. Yeah, you have yeah, it is running now. Now we have to paste the link which we will get. We have to paste the IP address of this. Now it will this IP address is used to access our application anywhere from the world. If we yeah, now if we paste in a new tab means it will open. It will ask for choose file.
Yeah, from choose file we have taken several images to predict which disease the patient or a person having. And again we are trying with another image, and again we are choosing another file from our storage, and we have predicted it. So like these classes means classes he having what type of disease he having, it shows there.
Yeah, we are using two kinds of classes, means which two kinds of diseases we are exploring. We can also add many. Uh, we can also add many number of classes to perform to detect many kind of diseases. So this is all about SageMaker, EC2, and S3. So thank you.
Okay,
This is our
thank you.
application.